Good day everyone, I'm Almar taking associate course in Food and Beverage Management Technology. So I am here to share the impact of SAM 23 in a modern era. So first, why SAM 23 is very important para sa ako. And it come up to me na pagama ko og tula, based na po na ako sa SAM 23 in a modernized way. So, para nako ang SAM 23 na siya ay guidance and protection. And usa kini siya as a student, usa kini siya kabilibon, usa kini siya kadawog important siya in pwede kang tugunit or kanunay tang tutuo sa SAM 23 kay nasayod ko nga dagitan mga circumstances o mga paagi na pwede na to mabati time to time. And this modern era, murag some of the youth or some of the young people wala na kayo nagatuo. It's because they believe in their own capacity, but I really believe in something first, something victory kay dako pa siya impact sa kuha. And just like everything living na pag-ista nga magatuto nga effective yun ang something. And as in my form, it's all about the safetyness. Though some youth manggod kay wala na kayo nagatuuan and I don't know if kung saan ang mga rason, but para sa ko I always believe that something that really will give impact kinabuhi during this college life. And I really believe that continuing and trusting SAM 23 na-adjudge akong impact in our daily life, protection and guidance throughout sa kanang atong buhaton everyday. Maong for me, takupay siya o impact sa kanang. So that's all. Once again, I'm Almar Sibalwit, taking associate course Food and Beverage Management Technology. Thank you and God bless.